Have you ever wondered why, when the lights go out and the world falls silent, your mind begins its own cinematic experience? Why do we dream? Is it just random brain activity, or is there something more profound at play? Welcome to EverWonder, where today we dive deep into the enigmatic world of dreams. Dreams captivate us, inspire us, and sometimes they even scare us. But what really happens when we close our eyes at night? Most of our dreaming occurs during REM, or rapid eye movement sleep, where our brain waves are nearly as active as when we're awake. But why? The journey into the science of dreaming reveals a landscape as complex as any waking life. The brainstem plays a pivotal role in generating REM sleep, while the forebrain, the seat of our most elaborate thoughts and emotions, cooks up the dream itself. Imagine, if part of your brain is damaged, you might still dream, but those dreams might not follow the REM cycle as we know it. Dreams are not just random throwaways of our sleeping brain. They are believed to serve crucial functions. From consolidating memories to rehearsing conversations and events, dreams could be our subconscious mind's way of preparing us for real life. From Freud's view of dreams as wish fulfillment, to modern theories that see them as necessary for emotional and psychological balance, the interpretations are as varied as the dreams themselves. And let's not forget, dreams can be bizarre. Neurotransmitters like dopamine and acetylcholine light up during REM sleep, adding a dash of surrealism to the mix. This neurochemical activity could explain why dreams often feel like a psychedelic twist on reality. But here's the catch. Most dreams are quickly forgotten. Psychologists believe this might help us prevent information overload, keeping our minds clear and ready for the new day. So next time you drift off and find yourself in the wild theater of your own dreams, remember, each dream could be a key to understanding the deeper parts of your psyche, unlocking mysteries one night at a time. Dreams might just be the most mysterious movies you'll ever watch, created by you, for you. If you're intrigued by the wonder of why we dream, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to EverWonder, and share your most memorable dream in the comments below. Stay curious, and as always, keep wondering why.